Hello and welcome to this course. I am Dr. Merchant, an educator, researcher, and technology enthusiast with expertise in the computational science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and scientific computing. Over the past more than 15 years, I have been actively involved in teaching, research, industry academia collaborations, and skill development initiatives aimed at empowering learners with the modern computational tools and technologies. My goal is to help the student, researchers, and professional bridges the gap between theoretical concept and practical applications through hands-on learning experience. I firmly believe that the programming is one of the most valuable skill in today's technology-driven world, and Python stands at the forefront of this transformation. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this course on Python programming, fundamentals to advanced applications. Whether you are a student, researcher, educator, work professionals, or simply someone interested in the learning programming, this course has been designed to provide a structured and practical learning experience that makes you for the basic of the Python to advanced real-world applications. Python is one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages today. Its simplicity, versatility, and extensive ecosystem of the libraries make it the preferred choice for software development, scientific computing, data analytics, automation, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many other emerging technologies. This comprehensive course provides a step-by-step learning pathway that begins with the fundamentals programming concept and gradually progress towards advanced applications. Through this course, you will learn Python syntax and programming fundamentals, variable, data type and operations, conditional statement and loops, functions and modular programming, data structures including the list, tuple, dictionaries, and sets, file handling and exception management, object-oriented programming concept, numerical computing using Python, NumPy, data analysis and manipulation using pandas, data visualization techniques, machine learning fundamental using scikit-learn, applications of Python in automation, analytic, and intelligent system. By completing this course, you will be able to develop an efficient Python program, solve computational and analytical problems systematically, work with the real-world data set, create meaningful visualization and reports, build introductory machine learning models, apply Python skills in the academic, research, and industrial project. This is the practical hands-on the course. Programming is the best learned by doing. Therefore, I encourage you to actively participate in the coding exercise, complete assignments, experiment with examples, and explore additional application beyond the lecture. Each module is carefully structured to help you progressively build confidence and expertise in the Python programming. Thank you for choosing to be the part of this learning journey. I am excited to guide you through the fascinating world of the Python and its applications in modern science, technology, data analytics, and artificial intelligence. Together, we will transform ideas into the solution, data into insight, and the concept into practical applications. I wish you productive, engaging, and successful learning experience. Welcome once again to the Python programming fundamental to advanced applications. Let's begin our journey into the Python programming. Looking forward to see you in this session. Thank you.